Hi guys, all of you good evening and welcome back to Git 7th class. Git 7th class. Okay guys, yes, in the last class what we have discussed guys. So we have discussed about that git diff command, git diff command and some more, one or two more, just only 2 to 3 commands only yesterday class. Okay. So yesterday we have discussed about that git diff and guys. Yes, please. Okay, forget about that. So in yesterday's class we have discussed git log. Yes, git log also we have discussed. Git log command used for to see the list of commits. But just that's a very basic. We will take one separate session on git log commands. But okay, in basic level, we have discussed about that git log command. Git log command used for to see the all commits on particular file, on particular branch, on particular repository. Okay guys, and next git diff command used for to see the differentiate in between working directory and staging, staging to committing, committing to working directory. But this command will not work on staging and committing. In between stage and commit we can't see that, but we can apply that git is what is that git log, sorry, git diff space hyphen stage if you want to see the particular the content which is located in the staging area. Okay guys, now in this 7th class, yes, we will discuss in the next session about the git log command. Yes, today's session is branch. Okay, yes, git branch is a block in repository. By this branch, we can manage the code or files. We can manage the files branch to branch. Particularly, yes, it's a very important concept in this DevOps flow and process. Git branching strategy concept is there. Git branching strategy. So it's very important in real time. We are not working with only one branch. So we will maintain source code one branch for, so the overall source code we are maintaining one branch. For testing code quality testing purpose we are using another branch, and after that once the code is okay, then we are going to building the code with another branch. We are pushing into build branch. So after that we are building the code from that branch. After that we are sending to test location. So once the test case is okay, then we are sending into test location. So once the code is okay by test cases, yes, then we are going to final building. If the code is everything fine based on our requirement, we are sending into final stage, final branch. From there we are building that final product and deploy into the production environment. So we are going to creating these kind of branches. We'll discuss first of all. We'll discuss about that branching, working with branches. Then we'll discuss with the branching strategy. Okay guys, now we are working with branches. Yes, git branch. This command used for to list all existed branches. Okay, next git branch name. Yes, by this by this syntax command, by this command we can create a branch, create a branch. Next, git branch old branch name space new branch name, new branch name. Yes, this one used for to change or rename the branch, rename the existed branch. Okay, next, git branch -d branch name, branch name. Yes, by this command we can delete the existed branch, okay. Existed branch. Next, git checkout existed branch name. To switch one branch to another branch, git checkout -b new branch name, non existed branch name. Yes, by this command we can create a new branch and switch into new branch from present working branch, okay guys. Yes. Next, git branch -r to see the all remote branches. Okay guys, one by one we'll see. Yes, practical example. Sorry. Okay. Yes, now the command. Okay. Git branch. Present we are having only one branch. Next, we will write and we'll finish every command. All commands will finish, then we can take and we'll split into document. Next, git branch name for creating a new branch, DevOps, or code. Now code is the branch name. Code is the branch name. Yes, git branch. See guys, at present we are having two branches. Code is the main, code is the feature branch. Guys, note that point. Sorry. Yes, note that point. So whenever we are seeing that branches other than main or master, it means those all branches are calling feature branches. Those all branches are calling feature branches. Now, present we are having one main branch, one feature branch. By default, once you create a repository, by default, we will get one branch that's calling as a main branch or the main branch or master branch. Now we are having two branches. And how we can recognize? See, now in Git bash, automatically we can recognize whenever we are seeing this one, in this parenthesis, it's a branch. Whatever we are seeing within these parentheses in the can color, that's calling, that is the branch name. At present, we are in main branch. At present, we are in main branch. The same time, after applying that Git branch, you can see the color. The color, whenever you are seeing that green color, it's mean present working branch. And sometimes in some cases, don't take that color consideration. Okay, don't take that color consideration. Okay, yes, you can take that star. It's mean at present we are in that branch. Wherever you are seeing that star before that branch name, right? Okay, opposite to that branch name, it's mean we are working with that branch. In Linux, we can't see this option. We need to apply the command, git branch command. You need to apply manually. So after that, whatever you will get that output from the git branch command. So after that, you need to recognize, you need to identify we are working with this so branch. Okay, guys. Now here it is very easy to recognize. Here only we can recognize. You need not to apply that git branch command. Okay. Next, I'm going to creating some more branches. Guys, we can't create multiple branches at a time like that. Touch or what is that mkdir like that. We can't create. Only one branch we can create at a time. Next, git branch. Yes, test. Git. Now you can see that git branch build. Git branch. Git. Okay. Yes. Test project test. Now you can see that git branch. See guys, we are having this much branches. We have created total how many? Total four branches we have created. Feature branches are 4 and 1 is the default branch. Total 5 branches are there. Now, so what we are doing, that we are going to renaming the project. Yes, git branch -m, git branch -m, git branch -m space old branch name space new branch name. For example, project test project, just renaming that. Okay, yes. Now after renaming that, git branch, you can see Before that, project test. Now test project. Okay. Next, git branch hyphen d, git branch hyphen d, branch name, test project, deleted. Next, git branch, okay, branch deleted. Now git checkout branch name, test. See guys, now we are in test branch. Now you can apply that git branch. See, before switching into branch, we were in main branch. Right now we are in test branch. Got it, guys? Next, okay, git checkout cloud hyphen b, cloud gen. At present we don't have the branch name is cloud. Present we don't have with the name of cloud gen branch. Now see, we are in cloud gen. Directly, okay, by this command what we can, if the branch is not available, yes, we can create the branch and switch into newly created branch from existed branch, from present branch. This is the present branch. Before applying this command, for the time this is the present branch. Now this is the present branch. Got it, guys? Yes. Now if you want to see that, yes, git branch, see, this is the command. Now where is it? Git branch. Yes. Next, so what we did here, is for creating new branch. Next, for what? Yes, we have created multiple branches here. Yes, for what? Yes, we are renaming the branch we are renaming the branch here. Present we are in main branch. What happened here? One minute. Branch didn't change. Okay, renaming now. Renaming, it's working. What is that? Present project branch. See guys, here we are having that project branch. Now test branch. Okay, yes. What is it? For this one? Next. Spelling mistake. Next one. So for what? For deleting a branch. For deleting branch. After deleting, we have applied that git branch command. And git checkout. Practical example. Yes. Git branch. Now git checkout. Git checkout. Yes. A test. Okay. Git branch. This is the output. Yes. For test cases. And this one user for it. This one user for to create and switch into new branch. Next, this command. Yes. Git branch -r. At present we are having only head and main branch. Okay, the head nothing but a present head. Present head means only one commit. So it's in the main branch. Git branch -r. So see the remote branches now. Okay. Next, guys. Now the practical scenario is little bit different, and little bit we are going to discuss in some in-depth level. You need to understand logically. You need to understand logically. For simply, not only we are going to for simple purpose. Okay, we are not going to creating a branches for easy purpose. We are having some important task with the branches. The main, okay, there is one main reason for creating branches and working with the branches. So what is the importance of a branch? If we want to maintain the code separately and based on situation, we can use these branches. For example, just imagine it. Now see, now I'm going to git branch. Now I'm going to deleting all feature branches. Now I'm going to deleting all feature branches. Okay, guys, keep in mind, you should not try to delete main branch or master branch. Be careful. You should not try to delete main branch or master branch. That's very dangerous. You will be in trouble. You will be in trouble if you delete that main branch or master branch. Okay, be careful. Okay, and note that point. Now, git branch -d build. Git branch -d test. See, we can't delete because we are in that branch. Present we are in that branch. We can't delete that. Okay. When we can delete, whenever you are outside the branch, only outside branches only we can delete. Present branches we can't delete. Present working branches we can't delete. Next, git branch -d code. Git branch -d CloudGen. -d CloudGen. Next, git branch -d build. Already deleted, no? Yes. How many deleted? CloudGen. Okay, let me git branch. Okay. Yes. Git checkout main. Okay. Now git branch. Yes. Now git branch -d. The branch name. What is it? Test. Don't try to delete main branch. Okay. Be careful. Now we don't have any branches. I mean that any branches mean feature branches. Git branch. See guys, only we are having one branch. Okay, now concentrate on that, guys. Now what we are going to discuss, and that's very, very important. Why we need to work with the branches? What is the importance of branches? Okay, when we can use, how we can use, where we can use. Okay, these are the very important. Now, LL. These are the files. These are the files. Now, keep in mind, guys. These are the files in present working branch or main branch. This is the default branch. Just imagine it. We don't have any kind of branches. At present, we are having only one branch that's calling as a main branch. In main branch only, we have created some files. In main branch only, we have created some files. Now, if you apply that git status, this is the state of present working directory, and this is the state of present branch. This is the present state of the present working branch, the main branch. Okay, this is the state of main branch at present. Now, in this situation or in this state, okay, or else by this state, if you create one new branch, git branch CloudGen. Now I'm going to creating one feature branch. After creating, now you can see that git branch, we are having feature branch. Now again, see guys, git status, this is the present state. Still we are in main branch. Guys, note that point. Observe that. Okay, it's very, very important concept. Now we are in main branch. In main branch, from the main branch, we have created one new branch that's calling as a CloudGen. Git branch. Again, I'm showing that. See, one file is modified, and 4 files deleted, and 1 untracked, and 1 is the gen. Okay, it's mean. The file is located in working directory, the file is located in staging, the file is located in committing. How can I say that? How can we say that the file is also in the committing area?
Yeah, modified state, deleted state, all it is in committed.
Yes. See, in the working,
Once you'll commit, then only it will work.
yes, in the working directory also we are seeing modified. In the staging also we are seeing that modified. Whenever you are seeing as a modified in the staging, fix that. You can decide that yes, the file is already committed. File is already committed. If you want to see that Git log file name, if you want to see the file is committed or not, see. Okay, without committing, we can't get this commit information. Now, this is the state. This is the state of the present working branch. Now I am switching into Git checkout CloudGen. See. Now, if you observe this one, the same state replicated into future branch. Future branch. Guys, note that point. It's very important. Whenever you are going to creating a branch, for the time, okay, whatever the state of present branch, whatever the state is on the present branch, the same state replicated into future branch. Okay, guys. Same, whatever we are having the files, including committed files, modified files, deleted files, and the new files, untracked files, everything it is replicated into future branch. Okay, guys. Now, what I am doing that git add space dot. Now I am in the future branch. Git status. Now git commit -m deleted and new files committing. See guys, git status. Nothing to commit, working tree clean. Some files left from this list. Some files left from this because we have deleted and accepted. Guys, we need to be discussed about this deletion. See, until committing the file was there. Until commit that file after deleting. The Git maintaining the deleted files list. After deleting also, Git maintaining that list is showing that every Git status time it's saying that you have deleted. What is the reason for that? What is the reason for showing that? Guys, I'll take that example. I will take that example. Just imagine it, guys. Just imagine it. Here, I'm taking that one small suitable. Just imagine it, guys. Already we have discussed some finance example, something. Same example, I'm repeating that. See, guys, I want 1,000 rupees money. You are the borrower. Yes, as per agreement, yes, I have taken that 1,000 rupees and I have given that one promissory note, agreemental. Okay. So on that agreement, we have given that money and I have taken and I have given that one promissory note. After that, after 1 month or 2 months, after 3 months, I have returned that amount to you along with interest. Okay, including interest, I have returned that amount. After return that, do you want to delete that history or not? Whatever I have given that promissory note, you have to delete from your history or not? Yes?
Yeah, you should delete.
We should delete that. Okay, fine. So here what will happen if you are not going to deleting? So how you can maintain that information? You will be in trouble. Or else I am also in trouble because you are having that official note. But I have written that amount, but you didn't delete from your record. And one more thing that. So I haven't written that amount, but you did that. You deleted that record from your record. You have given 1,000 rupees for me. to me, you have given that 1,000 rupees to me that. After that, you have taken that promisor note and okay, knowingly, unknowingly, you have deleted that record from your record list. What will happen? What will happen? That's not official information. You got it now? Guys, here also, why the Git is going to maintain the until when we commit that delete acceptance. Once you give the file to Git repository or Git memory, it will know that so and so person, so and so date. Okay, he is given that information, he is given that file. It will note, Git will note in its memory. After committing, if you delete that file, Git will note that information. So and so person, file deleted. So and so file deleted. Yes, it will maintain that deleted. See guys, deleted. But it should not remove from the deleted list. Why it's not going to deleting? Because see, I am taking that example. So you have given that money on the borrower, on the borrowing mode, you have given that money. After that, I have written that amount. After that, I have written that amount after 1 month or one next day or something that you have to give that promisor note back, no? Yes or no? 100% you need to return that one also. If you are not going to return in that, what will happen? Till the person is to be paid. Yes or no? Officially, it will maintain. But the person already returned that amount. Now you tell me, is it conflict or not? So that reason. So if after deleting a file, first time you have given to Git, you have committed that file. After that, you have deleted that file. After deleting, Git will write one note. Yes, you have deleted that file. But file will not show you that. We can't see the file name, what we have deleted. But we can see in the list so and so file deleted. Okay. The reason for showing that, you need to accept that deletion. After deleting, you need to say that, yes, I have deleted, I am accepting that delete. This message we need to pass to Git. Then only it removes from its memory. Until that, it won't remove that. Now, it's removed that. B5, B6, GCP, and Maven. It's removed from the list. Now you can see those files are not available. Now you can see that Git status. We can't see. File also not there. Git removed permanently from its memory. After we accepting only, it's removed from that memory. Okay, guys. You got it now? Just take that example. The borrowing money example, take that. If the person not returning to the person who taken that money, okay, if the person not taken, if the person not taken from the borrower, what will happen? It will maintain that record. But officially there is record, but unofficially we have paid that amount. It's a conflict. After deleting, if you are not going to accepting that, yes, I have deleted. If you are not going to pass in this message, Git will be in trouble. It will be in trouble. Reason. What is the reason? If you ask to, after deleting, if you ask to Git, can you give me my file? How it will do that? Already have deleted. You have deleted, but you didn't accept. Okay. So that reason, Git will maintain that, yes, you have deleted, but you didn't accept. You have deleted that file. Okay, permanently you didn't accept it. Okay, so whenever you pass this message on deleted files, Git will write one note. Git will write one note in its memory, and it's removed from this deleted list. It's me. We are accepting. Yes, I have deleted. I'm accepting that. Then only it removes from the Git memory. Now, guys, okay, you got it now? Yes. Now see what we are discussing. Branching strategy. Right now we are in branching strategy. We are discussing with the branches along with the files. So initially, see where we have deleted these files. Where we have deleted these files in the CloudGen CloudGen branch. But basically where we have deleted these files? In the main branch. In the main branch we have deleted. 1 minute. Okay, guys. Yes, I'm switching into main branch for avoiding that confusion. Okay, if you have that small confusion, okay, I'm trying to re-deliver that. Okay, now this is the present state. Git status. Nothing to commit. Working tree clean. This is the present state. Now git branch branch -d CloudGen. I'm removing this one again. See, still git branch. Present we are having only one branch, that's calling as a main branch. Oh, git branch -d CloudGen. Fully? Yes. What happened here? This is also very important. This is calling as a branch conflict and merge conflict. We are having concepts, interview questions. What is that merge conflict and the branch conflict? Because actually we have deleted the files in main branch, but we didn't accept in the main branch. We have created one new branch from the main branch. In that future branch we have accepted by applying that git commit command. Actually git removed from the git memory. After doing that, what we did? Yes. Okay, we removed that branch. It's saying that yes, some conflict is there. So whatever we did, that does not happen in this branch, present branch. It's saying that again, git branch capital D. Yes, branch name. Now it's deleted. Interview question: what is the difference between small d and capital D? We'll discuss later on that. Separate, we'll take 1 hour. Okay, 1 to 10 minutes we'll concentrate on that. Okay, now git branch. See guys, now this is the state. Git status. Nothing to commit, working tree clean, and we are having only one branch, and these are the files in this present branch. See, still we are having files B5, B6. Okay, Maven files we didn't delete. Still, okay, they came back. We'll discuss later on that. And forget about that one. Now we are having, this is the state of the present branch. This is the present main branch state. See guys, it's mean what we can understand. Nothing to commit, working tree clean. Okay, and whenever you apply that ll command, we are seeing list of files. It's mean what we can understand these files. It's mean these all files are committed files. These all are committed files. So that reason we are seeing in the working tree. Nothing to commit, working tree clean. It's mean this all files all are committed files. Committed files. Fixed files. Fixed files. Now the main branch is the owner of to these files. Okay. The main branch is the owner on this. Yes, or else the main branch having ownership on these files. You got it, guys? Now imagine it. Main is one person. Main is one person. Now that person git branch code. Spelling mistake. Git branch code. Guys, now we have created one branch. With the name of code. Now git branch. Imagine it. Before creating that branch, we were in main branch. From the main branch, we have created one branch that's calling as a code. Guys, keep in mind, I am repeating this one because this is some conflict and confusion concept. Now, if you observe that we are having two branches, one is the main and one is the code. Now, code is the child branch. Like we need to feel like that. Now, code branch is the child branch to main branch. Code is child branch to main. Okay, guys. But just we need to feel like that. Of course, compared to main branch, almost feature branch also having same properties. Okay, but for creating that time, whatever we are having present state, git status and LL. So whatever we are having the present state of the main branch, the same state replicated into feature branch. Now you can see that git checkout code. See, LL, git status, nothing to commit, working tree clean. Now this code branch is calling as a feature branch. Now what I'm doing that? Yes, touch and one. We are going to creating some files. In which branch we are going to creating? In future branch we are going to creating. Successfully we have created. Now git status. See. Now my question, can we see these files in main branch? Are you sure?
Yes.
Can we see these files in main branch?
Yes.
Yes, this is main branch is parent directory, and child directory information can see parent hierarchy.
No, you don't link that relationship. That's not a for understanding purpose. Just I have taken that example: parent directory, parent branch. Okay. Don't set that relationship in between these branches. Okay.
And but we can identify main, and after that code, but main branch can't see. Only code can see. I think.
So can we see these files in main branch? That's my question. Is these files are available in main branch also?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
No. only code branch is available in this file.
Now git
But
branch.
we can refer main branch.
See guys, now I'm going to create one more branch from this code branch. From this code branch, I'm going to creating one more branch, Ravindra. Okay, now git branch. Can we see these files in Ravindra branch? Whatever we are having state,
No.
we are having state, this state can we see in the same, the Ravindra branch also?
No.
Can we see in the main branch also?
No.
No.
Okay, yes. Git checkout, main. Git status. Git checkout. Git status. Not that point, guys. Not that point. Keep in mind, whenever we are going to creating a file in one branch, whenever we are going to creating a file, or whenever we are having a file in one branch, okay, until commit that file, we can see in all branches, including main branch. Even if you are going to creating a file in main branch also, git checkout, main, git status, touch, see, where we have created in the main branch. So whatever we are having state, the same state we can see yes, git status.
What logic, Ravindra, here?
Sorry,
What logic? Because see, that is different branch and this is different branch, but all branches obviously it's connected to the main branch. But
yes,
whatever that created one branch and we can see another branch and the nth branch.
yes, that's the git providing that facility. Git providing that facility until when you commit the file in one branch, we can see in all branches. But once you commit the file in branch, from that time, that branch is the owner of that file. Okay. From that time, the branch is the owner for that file. Okay. Once you commit one file in one branch, we can't see in remaining branches. You got it now? Now what I'm doing that? Now where we have created these files? I think we have created this N1, M1 or something, M1 where we have created in the main branch. In main branch. Now what I am doing that? Git add N series files. Git status. Now git commit -m. Git commit -m. Yes. N files. Git status. See guys. Okay. Now this is the state. Now git checkout main. Git status LL. You can see that N1 file, N series files. Okay. Already I told that once you commit one file in one branch, after that we can't see in remaining branches. And here you need to note that point. Here, just imagine it. I'm saying that from scratch. I'm saying that just now I have entered into Git. By default, I have that one branch that's calling as a main branch. Okay. So now I'm applying that git status command. Nothing to commit, working tree clean. And I'm applying that LL command or LS command. Yes, I'm seeing that 5 files. What is it mean? Nothing to commit, working tree clean. This means no one not file available for committing. All are committed. This is the present state. Now I'm applying that git branch command. I'm seeing only one branch that's calling as the main branch. This is the present state of repository. This is the present state of repository. There are 5 files. There are 5 files. All files are committed and only one branch that's calling as the main branch. This is the present state of repository. Now, I'm in main branch. Now I'm going to creating one branch that's calling as a code or a test branch. I'm going to creating test branch. After creating test branch, now here I am saying that you need to recognize before the branch, after the branch. Before the branch files state, after creating the branch file state. See, before creating test branch, we are in main branch. The branch having 5 files, branch having only 5 files, and all are committed files. No one not available in working tree, and the repository having only one branch. This is the state. Okay, guys. So from this state, we are going to creating one branch that's calling as a test. Now we are having, if you apply that git branch command, we can see 2 branches. One is the test branch, one is the main branch. Now, what I'm doing that I'm switching into test branch. If I apply that git status command, same whatever we saw in the main branch, the same state we are seeing, nothing to commit, working tree clean. And I'm applying that LL command. Yes, whatever we saw the state of that LL list in the main branch, the same state we are seeing in the feature branch that's calling as a test branch also. Keep in mind, before creating the branch, if the present branch having any kind of state, the same state replicated into feature branch. If you have committed files, if you have modified, if you have deleted, whatever we are having, the same state replicated into feature branch. Okay, guys, we saw that practically. Here you need to observe that what is the state of the present branch before creating a branch, and what is the state after creating a branch of the file. After creating a branch, if you are going to creating files, file or files after creating a branch, in any branch, either feature branch or main branch. So whatever we have created the files, the same files replicated into all branches. Okay, now imagine it. After creating feature branch, I switched it into feature branch, and I have created some files. After that, I have created one more feature branch from the feature branch. After that, I switched it into second feature branch. If you apply that git status command, I am seeing that main branch files, and the first feature branch files. These all files we are seeing in second feature branch. Now what I am doing that, I am going to adding some files in second feature branch. After adding the files, if you apply that git status command, yes, we are seeing some files and new files in staging it. This is the present state in second feature branch. Now I am switching into main branch. Yes, after switching into main branch, if I apply that git status command, the same state, whatever we saw in the second feature branch, the same state we are seeing. Okay, and I'm switching into, or else now I'm in main branch. Total 3 branches are there. Now I'm going to create in third feature branch. Present I am in main branch. Now I'm going to creating third feature branch. After creating third feature branch, I'm switching into third feature branch, and I'm adding some more files and committing the all files into third feature branch. Now, if you come back to main branch, what we can see? Whatever the files are there before creating first branch, whatever the files are there before creating all these feature branches, the same files we are seeing, and whatever we have and commit the files what we have created in feature branch, those files also there. But the fixed files are whatever the fixed files are there, those files whatever we are seeing in the main branch instead of working tree files. Okay, except working tree files, whatever we are seeing, those files are already committed files. You got it now? Those files are already committed files in the main branch. Whatever we have committed files in the main branch, those files, all files moves into in future branches. Future branches. Okay, guys. Here I'll take that one example. Natural example. You can understand. Okay, guys. Now, so what we did? Once we create a file in one branch, we can see in all branches. But once you commit that file in one branch, we can't see that file in remaining branches. You got it now? Once we commit that file in one branch, we can't see in remaining branches. But if you want to get that file, whatever we have committed the file in feature branch or main branch, for example, just now we have created some files in main branch. After that, we have created another branch, feature branch. We switch it into feature branch. So whatever we have created files in the main branch, those files we are seeing in the feature branch also. So we have committed the files, whatever we have created the main branch files, those files we are going to committing in feature branch. After committing, if apply that git status command, we are seeing that main branch files and newly committed files in future branch. After committing, I am switching into main branch. After switching, if I apply that git status command, I am not able to see the whatever we have committed in the future branch. You got it now? Yes, whatever we have committed the files in future branch, if I want to get those files into main branch. You got it now? Yes, we are having that command. See, now the N series files are not available in main branch. N series files not having in main branch. I think we have committed. Where we have committed? Yes, in Ravindra branch we have committed. In Ravindra branch we have committed. But where we have created these files? Where we have created?
Main.
In main branch now? Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes. In the code branch we have created.
Code. Yeah.
In the code branch we have created. See guys.
Cool.
And where we have committed? In the Ravindra branch we have committed. Now the code branch are not having permission to access those files, and the main branch also not having permission to access those files. If we want to get those files into main branch or any other feature branch, yes, we are having one more command, git merge space source branch name. Git merge space source branch name. See, here we are having two branches. One is the source branch, and another one is destination branch or target branch. What is the target branch? Main branch. Destination branch is the main branch, and the source branch is Ravindra branch. If you want to merge the files in Git, one branch to another branch, before applying that command, you should be in the destination branch. Before applying that git merge command, we should be in the destination branch. To which branch you want to make the files, you should be inside that branch. After switching into destination branch, you need to apply that git merge space. From which branch you want to merge the files? From which branch? That's calling as the source branch. Yes, you need to say that source branch. See guys, now hit the enter. You'll get those files. Now you can see that git status. LL. See guys. But these are not fixed to any one branch. As for our example, Okay, these files not belongs to any one owner. No one not having rights on these files. As of now, how many branches are here? These all branches are not having any kind of ownership on these files because we didn't commit. But once you commit one file or all files in one branch, from the time that branch is the owner of that file. Remaining branches are not having any kind of relation with those files. Okay, guys. Now, git merge is a command. That command used to merge the files from one branch to another branch. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Here we are having lot of files. Okay, no problem. Yes, you got it, guys. Merge command. Okay, and see, guys. Now at present, git push origin, git push origin. Yes, this command used for to push or send to a remote repository. Remote repository. Yes. Syntax 1, git push origin branch name. Git push origin branch name. Yes. Example. This is the single syntax, and examples are there. Okay. Next, git push origin main. Git push origin main. Next, example 2. Git push syntax 1. An example to syntax 1. Git push origin feature branch name. Feature branch name. Okay, guys. Next, example 3. Git push origin --- all. Okay. If you want to push the all branches at a time, you can. Now, Okay, guys. Now see, guys. We are in this repository. Now we are in this repository. How many branches are there? Only one branch. Now, okay. Now we are in main branch. Git branch. Now we are in main branch, code branch, Ravindra branch. We are having 3 branches, including main. Now git push origin code. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తాం మనం? Guys, here one doubt. In the remote, we are seeing only one branch. What is the reason for? Yes, no? In the remote, where we have created branches, in local we have created. Got it now? After creating the branch in the local, immediately that will not reflect into remote branch until when you push that repository, until when you push that branch into remote. You have to send that branch from local to remote. Now we are seeing that C. Just refresh this one. Yes, note that point we'll discuss in next class. Note this point we'll discuss in next class. Okay. So now how many branches we are seeing? 2 branches. Yes. Code branch. See. Okay. Only we are having 2 branches. Main is the default branch. Code is the future branch. Now, yes, LL. Now what I am doing that? Git branch A, git branch B, AB. Okay. Git branch. See guys, we are having. Now what I am doing that? If I want to send all branches at a time, git push origin -all. See, new branch. First time, whenever you are pushing first time, we will get this answer. What is that answer? New branch. For example, now what I am doing that? Git checkout A branch. Okay, LL. Touch. Git status, git add, git status, git commit -m, something message we send that git status. Now git push origin. What is that branch name? A. We can't see that. Again we can say as a new. See? Okay, it's not first time now. Whenever you are pushing the files from future branch first time, yes, it will tell you that yes, you are pushing first time. So that reason it's a new branch. Okay. After that, whenever you are pushing files again and again from future branch, you can't see that. We can't see that. Okay. See, here we saw that new branch. Local branch, local A branch to remote. Now you can see all branches in the remote. Just refresh. See, total 5 branches. You can see here. Like this. You got it now? Now you can move a main branch. You can see here some changes. Of course, we are seeing only one. We'll discuss in next class. Okay. So when we will get this one, so why we will get this one, how we can resolve that. Okay guys, this is the concept. This is the concept of Git branching. Of course, not only these commands, we are having n number of commands. I'll give some examples with the document. Okay guys, I'll send you those commands with examples. You can go through those commands and execute them. Okay guys. Yes.